Where's Zoom? And that's the upside down. Truck. Got the towing car here.
I'll get the tow truck.
Yeah. Oh, let me get him putting it on. Let me get him putting the.
Look at, he's got it wrapped around the front axle.
Yeah. Whenever we can get it out there and start filming. What? Oh, I got the way better shot. I know. Are we moving anywhere?
They're letting us go.
Oh, they're not?
I guess they can, but keep directing us.
We're on Hyatt's Road.
Stay here. Don't pull forward. Just forward. Why are people leaving? I want to see. Why would you want to see this?
Should I move over into the left lane?
No, because once they get it cleared, we got all day. It's not like we're in a hurry. This dude wants to see it too. But if you gotta go up 23, you gotta go up 23.
Yeah. I don't care, dude. I'm not moving.
I know. Why is the guy behind you getting impatient?
No, I haven't even looked. They're blocking the road. Look, I mean, we can't move forward. You know what I'm saying? Where are the road signs?
How did this happen?
I don't know. This is Hyatt's Road.
This happened this morning. Do you know how it happened?
Wow.
Oh shit. So he didn't get hit?
Oh, come on. I want to see him pull. There goes the tow truck. Getting ready to pull it. And here we go. We're getting rare footage of a turn.
You could send this into a TV show. Get some money off of that. Oh, the light's green, go.
So you can see the light screen, but we can't go. What? You are? Turn the heat on. Don't worry, I'm not filming you, officer. I just want to see this truck get pulled up. Oh no!
Wait, he's getting the hell out of the way.
He is, isn't he? Oh, here we go, here we go. Here we go.
Watch it break the suspension off, dude. That would be hilarious. Snap! He's just gonna drag it.
Oh, get out the way. Get out the way.
You better look out. Something breaks. I'm waiting for that suspension to snap. Dude, I think it's lifting up the back end of the tow truck. He's really heaving.
Oh, we got front row seats to this, man.
I know.
Isn't it ironic that we have a camera? Oh no, it's not working. What are they doing?
Trying to chalk the wheels so it'll flip over. That kitty litter ain't helping him right now. Look at him smoking a cigarette while he's doing this.
They got both wheels like that.
dragging his truck. He's gonna need a bigger truck.
There he goes, he's pulling. But he's not. Oh man, this is not gonna be a quick thing, is it? Maybe we should make it right here.
Oh man.
Do you want to grab the camera?
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, I told you he was gonna snap the truck. Here we go. Look at it, look how much twist it's putting on the cab. Think there's any pizza in there?
He's going, it's coming. It's coming. There we go.
Oh my god, look, he's really snapping something though. Look at the fluid pouring out.
Oh wow, look at all that fluid.
That's washer fluid. Windshield washer fluid. Go, 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 go. Look at it, look at it. Look at that suspension, dude. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. It's a balancing act now.
Oh no.
Get over here and push. Actually, that would help. That would help. Because it would be just enough. Look at him balancing it.
That was great. That was great. Bravo. Oh, is he gonna drive it out of here?
I don't know. He's probably gonna see if it starts. I'd wait for the oil to settle in the crankcase. You wanna get a picture of the drive?
Oh, no way.
It still works. It's probably going to be moving pizzas by the end of the day. Think how scary it was for the driver.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Well, are they gonna let us move?
I don't know. Well, I guess we can shut it off.
Where's the off button? Right here.
Just hit this button again.
Get it off?
Yeah.